Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the blade and plate. We'll break down the entire process step by step, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Next, we'll remove the mixing bowl from the base. Simply twist and lift it gently. Now, let's take a closer look at the blade assembly. You'll see that the blade is secured with a screw at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Using your T20 Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the blade. Keep this screw safe, as you will need it later. Once the screw is removed, lift the blade out of the bowl. Examine it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any dullness or nicks, it might be time for a replacement. Next, we'll clean the area around the blade socket. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any food residues or debris. This cleaning step is crucial for ensuring a proper fit when reassembling. Now, let's turn our attention to the plate. Inspect it for any cracks or warping. If the plate is damaged, it can affect the performance of your Thermomix. A replacement plate can be easily sourced online or through our services, where we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transportation or finding the right tools, as our team will handle everything for you. After ensuring that both the blade and plate are clean and in good condition, we'll reassemble the blade. Place it back into the bowl, ensuring that it fits snugly into the socket. Now, take your T20 screw and secure the blade in place. Make sure it's tight, but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. Once the blade is secured, it's time to reattach the mixing bowl to the base of the Thermomix. Align it properly and twist to lock it in place. Before testing your appliance, take a moment to check for any loose screws or parts. It's always good practice to inspect your work before powering on the device. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle the repair, remember we provide a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Now, plug in your Thermomix and perform a test run to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If all goes well, you've successfully repaired your TM31. Congratulations! Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your appliance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.